Hello guys, let's take a look at Black Serpent Pills. These are a type of fireworks. It costs around 5 rupees or around 10 cents for this box. And inside it you get about 5 pills that when lit become into a serpent, I guess. That's the best I can explain it. Let's see how it does that. As you can see, that's the pill, and when you light it, it turns into a snake. Sometimes it has some trouble. We need to do it again. And there she was. And from that small pill, you get a big snake-like thing. I know what you're asking. Let's see 3 pills. Okay, here we go. And once this gets started, it doesn't stop. So as you can see, it makes a bigger snake, a fatter one. Because of all the smoke, all the cities will be mosquito free at least for a few weeks. That's one good thing. And you can even handle it. It's not hot, and it breaks off. Let's see how 5 of them look, or how bigger the snake becomes. There is also a issue of pollution, but it's so much fun to do it. So for one day, we just forget about pollution and have fun, I guess. The good thing is this also kills off a lot of mosquitoes, as it's rainy season now, and which helps prevent a lot of diseases. At least that's how we justify it, I guess. And that's Black Serpent Pills. Check it out. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe to get more videos every day.